with regards to the Indian financial system, or it basically has three core components. The first component is the banking system. Now we all know that a conventional banking system is based on riba. So the basic lending and borrowing on with surplus is basically riba. And the basis of it, so the core component of the banking system is riba. And hence, there is no way that we can benefit from it, and unless obviously it is Islamized and it is the contracts are changed. Another system is the insurance system. We have the insurance authority, and as most of us are aware, that the basis of insurance itself is also based on Riba and Qimar. Obviously, riba, when we say it is haram, and it is haram, it is prohibited. So just like riba, 20% or 30% or 40% would be prohibited. In the same way, 1% is also prohibited. In fact, 0.1% is also prohibited. So a glass or a bottle of alcohol is prohibited. So even one drop is also prohibited. So if you say that this is wrong, and this is something which is going to harm your wealth, then people say that we need an alternative. So what alternative are we going to provide? Because when we say that putting in the bank, that is it's amounting to interest, and that is 100% riba, and that is haram. So when that is the case, insurance is also not an option. So where is the option? This third component of the economy, and that is the capital markets. So when the ulama ikram analyzed the capital markets, they saw that inherently the capital markets is Sharia compliant, meaning at the core, it is a Musharakah contract. It is a contract of shirka. And the contract of shirka is not only permissible, rather it has been encouraged by the Nabi of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this was one option wherein intrinsically it was halal, it was permissible, and there were obviously external factors which were affecting the ruling and the permissibility. So this was the option that the ulama ikram saw that we can extrapolate on it and go further with regards to the inclusion of the masses in the economic system. And this is the option with regards to investment, with regards to saving, and it is much better, a better alternative than the Ponzi schemes that lead to a grave destruction of the capital and the financial capacity of the ummah. This being said, inshallah, we would look into in detail thereafter that what exactly are those conditions that are stipulated by the ulama ikram with regards to the criteria. What would be the ideal scenario for us, especially living in India, Indian subcontinent, the scholars of this area, the geographical area, what do they adhere to? And then how can we move forward, inshallah?